we are seeing a lot happening around us in this country because of the kind of politics that we have entertained over a period of time. This is one of those moments and one of those times that we need to retreat. We need to have a moment of reflection as to what we are being treated to and with by the political actors in this country. The National Cohesion and Integration Commission stands for promoting national unity, eliminating ethnic discrimination, dealing with all manner of inequalities, both in institutions and wherever we are in our spaces. What we are seeing through politicians in this country or the political class is really of a great concern. Outside there in political campaigns, in funerals, and unfortunately, even from places of worship. I want to speak this very clearly, that we cannot afford to get the country into a wrong direction because of selfish ambitions, selfish motives. The Constitution is very clear, the Kenyan Constitution 2010. It provides room for freedom of expression, but not at the expense of the unity of this nation, not at the expense of what has been built over the years. I want to issue this clarion call to all the political actors in this country, irrespective of your political formation, that can we become responsible with the utterances that we utter. We cannot afford to take the direction that some of us want to take. Our brothers and sisters in this blessed nation, on behalf of young people that are concerned about the future of this nation, and that's why you hear them come out speaking with one voice. But the question is, are we listening? Leaders, it's time we did our politics responsibly, and please let us be constructive in our engagements. We cannot afford to take the country to a wrong direction. As a commission, we have a mandate, and the mandate is to educate our people on the importance of promoting peace, at the same time ensuring that we are a united country. Every one of us should take responsibility in terms of what you say, the utterances you make, and all that you do as a leader. So please, let us restrain ourselves, leaders, from the kind of utterances we make. I'm repeating this. The hate speech rhetorics, propaganda, misinformation, and disinformation will not build this nation, but instead it will get us into a wrong direction. Let us not regret later, but instead can all of us become our brother's keepers by making sure that we speak responsibly